Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Faiman M. Siam, a student of class 10 studying in Chamunda Secondary School. Now I am going to tell all the elements of modern periodic table. So let's start. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, copper, nickel, copper, zinc. Gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, niobium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, radium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, Thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, actinium, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, corium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, metronium, darmstadtium, rontgenium, copernicium, neonium, flarevium, moscovium, livermonium, tennessine organism. Allah Hafiz.